I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to notarize a signature. Notarization is a crucial process that helps prevent fraud and ensures the authenticity of important documents. A notary public acts as an impartial witness, verifying your identity and confirming your willingness to sign. This official act adds significant legal weight, making your documents more secure and trustworthy for various transactions. It's a simple yet powerful step for many legal and financial matters. Finding a notary is usually quite easy. You can often find certified notaries at local banks, credit unions, or shipping service centers. Before you go, make sure your document is fully prepared but do not sign it yet. Remember to bring a current, government-issued photo identification, such as your driver's license or passport. Also, confirm the specific type of notarization your document requires. During your appointment, you will present your valid identification to the notary. They will carefully verify your identity and ensure you are signing willingly and are aware of the document's contents. You will then sign the document in their direct presence. Finally, the notary will complete their official certificate, apply their unique stamp or seal, and record the transaction in their journal. Many types of documents commonly require notarization, including legal agreements like affidavits, real estate deeds, and power of attorney forms. Regarding fees, the cost for notary services can vary. Typically, you might expect to pay anywhere from $5 to $20 per signature. It is worth noting that some states establish a maximum allowable fee, for instance, $15.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.